YouTube, how y'all feeling? I'm feeling great. I'm feeling wavy. If your sneak game not on point, you crazy. It's your boy tthesneakerking, back with another sneaker review video. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications for any future content, any future videos. All support is greatly appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Ooh, as y'all can see in the title, we got the long-awaited, since 2010, Jordan 11 Cool Grays. And this is a highly sought after shoe. Man, this is a great end of the year pickup, holiday pickup, whatever you want to call it. This has got to be one of the top releases to release this year. We all know, the nostalgia behind this shoe. We all know Jordan wore this when he played with the Wizards, when he was still hooping, still getting buckets. So nonetheless, let's get it into these Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Yeah, man, up until like 2010 till now, like, we've been waiting on these. So this is definitely, from pictures, what I saw, I like how they looked in person. I like how they hit them with the icy bottom. That was a nice spin on it. Jordan has been coming with some bangers, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Got a little tight box though. As you can see, got the Jordan on the top, the white Jumpman, got the gray top. Hold on for a second. I like how they made it like the shoe. They made the top like the lighter and the bottom like the darker gray. As you can see, we got the Nike Air on that side. Spin this baby around. 10.5. Medium gray. Multicolor. Air Jordan 11 Retro. Yeah, I like how they put that touch on the box. As you can see, inside, got that paper. Yeah, man. Ooh. Okay. Bang! Air Jordan 11. Cool gray, man. Let's get a little twinkle and glisten on this thing real quick. Yeah, these things is fire. Flamers. Get a little twinkle and glisten on that joint. Yeah, this is a flamer. These flamers, man. Let's expect that jump, man. Not too fat. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's get right into it. Man, we got that icy, translucent bottom with the white jump, man. Got that icy blue with the gray hits. Carbon fiber right there. Spinning around. The white midsole. Ain't too much to explain. We got the darker gray patent leather. As you go up, we got the suede. It's a nice too. Feels soft. The lighter gray up there. White Jumpman. I like that. I like how he made the patent leather come out this time. As you can see, he made it rise up on the shoe, up on the toe box. On the middle side, the same thing. Patent leather. Soft suede. We got the white laces. Got the suede tongue. Gray suede tongue right there. Yeah, they did a hell of a job on these on the back. Got the 2-3. With that icy bottom coming up in the back. Yeah, man, these is dope. Pop this thing out of there. Inside, got the Jumpman in there. Gray sock liner. You know what I mean? Dope shoe. Inside, you already know what that say, man. Let's read it together. Quality basketball product inspired by the greatest player. You already know that. Hold up, man. Sub up. Your boy T got you, man, with these bangers, these flamer shoes. I'm gonna keep coming with them back to back when I can. Your boy T got you. Sub up. I appreciate the support. Back to the shoe. This is a dope shoe. Let's get a little twinkle and glisten on this baby. Yeah, man, these are dope. Man, that joint is just sitting like a damn. That joint is sitting like a trophy, bro. Cool grades. The front. Y'all know how the regular Jordans come. They got the Jumpman right there. Y'all already know that. Yeah, man, I want to thank everybody for watching the video. Y'all know the motto. Salute the real. Stay lame free. Stay sucker free. Peace. I'm out.